All right, hello and welcome. My name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your YouTube thumbnail URL. Now, this is really a follow-up or a continuation video for my how to use video sitemaps to index backlinks, but I want to show you the process of finding your thumbnail URL. So I went ahead and I opened up one of my personal videos. I go to the left-hand side. You're going to want to right-click. Now, I use Chrome. I'm not sure about any other browser. I use Chrome, so this is how I'm going to show you. So you'll right-click and hit View Page Source. Now, when you click on View Page Source, you will hit Control F. And when you click on Control F, you want to type in thumbnails, quotation marks, and then a colon. Now, when you put in thumbnails, quotation marks, and then colon, you'll want to go over to the right-hand side, and if you can see these yellow dots here, this is where all the indications or all of the times that it says the thumbnails, what you typed into the search feature, go to the very last one. Now, when you reach the very last one, you will see a URL here. It will say thumbnails, and then it says URL, HTTPS, whatever this one is here that's highlighted, the last one. You want to highlight this, the whole thing until it says with the very last letter of it. See how I highlighted that? This is your video thumbnail URL. So just to double check it, the thumbnail for this video, so you would go to what you've just highlighted, and here is the thumbnail for the video. If I go back here, I can show you, I clicked on the local SEO tips, and then here is the thumbnail for that video. So that is how you find your thumbnail URL. Now, there's a lot of fun SEO things that you can do with this thumbnail URL. However, I want to show you this as a continuation to show you how to use video sitemaps in order to index backlinks, but as one of the add-ins for your video sitemap. I'll go ahead and show you what I've been working on. Right here, you'll need to add in your YouTube thumbnail URL. So that is how you find it. And I just wanted to go ahead and make this video. So if you have any questions regarding your YouTube video URL to the thumbnail, please ask. I'd be more than happy to help you. If you have any SEO questions, digital marketing questions, Facebook questions, pretty much anything digital marketing related, leave it in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.